Can you see me? Hey there, my name is Tara, and you're watching Bookmarked. Today I'm going to talk about movies in the genre of time travel. First on my list, I have Tomorrowland. A curiosity teen and a former boy genius inventor embark on a mission to unearth the secrets of a place in time and space somewhere that exists in their collective memory. I don't believe I just said all that cool stuff. Whenever Cassie Newton touches a label filled with the letter D on it, she finds herself transported to Tomorrowland, a city filled with huge robots and sleep buildings. The gifted young woman recruits the help of scientist Frank.
How is this a good idea?
Together, two adventures travel with the mental robots to uncover the
You wanted to see Tomorrowland. Here it comes.
The cast includes Britt Robertson, George Clooney, and Hugh Laurie. I give this movie a 5 rating. First of all, it's got Britt Robertson and Hugh Laurie in it. It's cool, it's educational, and it's about saving the world. But the most classic time travel is Back to the Future. There are several parts to it though. Part 1 is my favorite. No matter how much time goes by, this movie is too cool for anybody to miss out on. In this 1980s sci-fi classic, small-town California teen Marty McFly is thrown back into the 50s where an experiment by his scientist friend Dr. Brown goes strange. Traveling through a time in a modified DeLorean car, Marty encounters young versions of his parents and must make sure they fall in love or he'll cease to exist. Even more dauntingly, Marty has to return to his own time and save the life of Doc Brown. Cast includes Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd. I give this movie a 5 rating. It's got a super story, it's got great songs, it's really fun, and hey, it's Back to the Future. That's enough for it to give it a 5 rating. So, here's a recap. Tomorrowland and Back to the Future. These two were my favorite time travel movies. Be sure to share what your favorite time travel movies were. Until next time, this is Tara, signing off. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.